fighting either storm? What if you just let both be? What if your brain being a storm at 3 a.m. was okay? But we're not going to try to calm the storm, because fighting storms makes them feel bigger. Instead, we're going to sit with what is. Thunder provides the power. Rain provides the release. And simple objects, one at a time, storm things, weather things, things that are complete exactly as they are. As your mind follows these objects while thunder rolls and rain falls, something shifts. Not because you tried, but because you stopped trying. Your nervous system learns. Storms exist. My brain can storm. I'm safe anyway.